Hey babe, welcome back to my channel or welcome. In this tutorial you're going to watch me make box braids for a 6-year-old, and the hair is pretty long. Her hair is really long, so you're just going to see how we handled it and how we ended up with those gorgeous beautiful braids. So I used expression braiding hair and I cut it into 3. Usually when I make hairs for kids, when I make box braids for little kids, I usually cut into 4 parts. So I cut it 3 times to give me 4 equal sections. But her hair is longer than cut 4. Like when I cut the hair into 4 equal parts, it's either exactly the length of her hair or her hair is longer. So I had to do into cut 3, and besides it's Christmas, she wanted long hair and this was her one opportunity to have it done, so of course that was what we went for, and it came out just perfect. Because this is a hair for a kid, to make it more convenient for her, we tried not to make it too bulky. And so because this isn't knotless braid, it is advisable to not style the hair for a couple of days because it is still going to be uncomfortable. But to make the hair look more like a kid's hair, it is also advisable to style the hair with children accessories and just play around with different hairstyles to make it more fun for the child. Please, as you watch, if you can afford to, do not skip the ads. That way you're putting food on my table and I appreciate it. Thank you. And share it anyone who would love to see this. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below and I promise you I will answer it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's continue.